Ma'am, sigi video si Manipur Top Channel dagi update tawbani. Aduga hajik CBS na lawba 12 ke exam du result out oire. Aduga direct link do video sigi description da hapakke. Aduga result do kamai check tawne habdu ma'am cbsc result.nic.in da sangani sanga kana nang simaina CBSE exam result simai thab yorokani du makara senior school certificate examination class 12 thaba sida hajik result out to budangairi asi sangani link sida adu kana maigi si direct link ne result gi aduga enter your roll number, enter your school number, enter center number, enter admit card number hai adu enter torokana submit torokana exam result du kano torani fangani aduga download tobiro and best of luck from my side aduga sina taba ma'am ko somna kanda ji exam result do out okhra matung sida first second third taba mioi do hepet hairake moina phungdorak poi matung ina aduga sigi first taba se both the topper Karisma Arora and Hansika Shukla Mabani se psychology honors tawba pam hai undergraduate ko sai phungdo aduga result out oire ma'am result yung biro aduga best of luck amukasu aduga video se ma'am yari ko share to biyo amasum subscribe to biramo aduga thank you so much guys, bye for now, bye bye.